Hey everybody, I am Ernestine Lyons and I am the founder of Ernest Tea, and I am here because I have new teas. So we have a brand new design. Look at that. So globally inspired teas. And so we have a new packaging, and these wonderful new containers are in glass mason jars with our wonderful emblem on top. And so I'm just going to flip it over to show you more of our mixing process. So I take these beautiful stickers and I mix them with our fresh original spices and our tea blends. Look at that tea. It is so beautiful. So we've got beautiful ingredients that are all natural. Of course, hibiscus here. So I typically just take a little bit and just kind of scoop it and add hibiscus to our latest flavor, which is a ginger hibiscus black tea. And of course, I use things like I have granulated honey here that I add into the package, and rock sugar. So I just kind of want to open up one of our teas here so that you can see. And let's discover, oh, that one is empty. So we've got the Kevin's Firehouse blend, and this is a beautiful chai tea. I mean, look at that. It has got, of course, I ground the cinnamon myself, so it's a little bit of cinnamon around the rim here. And then we add a shot of instant espresso, and of course you can see in there the rock sugar. So I add rock sugar, we've got cardamoms, we've got cinnamon, we've got ginger pieces, and of course black tea. So you can take a nice little generous scoop and add that into your tea infuser. Or I like to have like the bags, tea bags here that I use, which are, you can also buy boxes of Ernest tea that are in the bags like this. I mix them here by hand, and so you can add that into your bag and then just put it into your hot water and steep and drink. Enjoy. So this is our chai tea. It's a dirty chai, and it's called Kevin's Firehouse Blend because it's got a little bit of a kick, a little spice to it. We've also got herbal teas. I've got the chamomile marshmallow tea here, and we've also got Gloria's Wellness Blend. And of course, then we've got, ooh, this is an original one. We've got Rubino's red tea. All right, so those are my Ernest teas. So thank you for tuning in. All right, go to ernesttea.com if you want to buy some teas, or message me, cash app me, $10 for the jars.